Have you ever wondered why some people seem to keep their blood pressure under control with simple habits while others struggle, even after trying everything? The answer may be sitting in your own kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you 3 kitchen herbs that research suggests may help support healthy blood pressure naturally when used correctly. But before you rush to your spice cabinet, there's something important you need to know. Many people use these herbs the wrong way, expect overnight miracles, or combine them with medications without realizing they could create problems. By the end of this video, you'll know which 3 herbs have attracted the most scientific interest, how they may work, who should avoid them, and the common mistakes that could do more harm than good. The first herb has been used for centuries, and many people already have it in their kitchen without realizing its potential benefits. Let's begin with the first herb, garlic. If you've ever cooked a healthy meal, chances are you've used it without thinking much about its effects beyond flavor. But garlic has been studied for years because it contains natural compounds that may help relax blood vessels and support healthy circulation. When blood vessels relax, blood can flow more easily, which may help some people maintain healthier blood pressure levels over time. However, this is where many people make a mistake. Garlic is not a replacement for prescribed blood pressure medication, and it doesn't work like a fast-acting pill. Its potential benefits are more likely to come from regular use as part of a healthy lifestyle. It's also important to know that garlic can increase the risk of bleeding in some people, especially those taking blood thinners or preparing for surgery. That's why using it wisely is just as important as knowing its potential benefits. The second herb is hibiscus, often enjoyed as a herbal tea in many parts of the world. Its deep red color comes from natural plant compounds called antioxidants, which have been studied for their potential to support healthy blood vessels. Some research suggests that drinking hibiscus tea regularly may help some adults maintain healthier blood pressure as part of an overall healthy lifestyle. But there's an important warning many people never hear. Hibiscus tea can also lower blood pressure, so if you're already taking medication for high blood pressure, drinking large amounts without speaking to your healthcare provider could cause your blood pressure to become too low. Some people may then experience dizziness, weakness, or even feel faint when standing up. If you enjoy hibiscus tea, moderation is important, and it should never replace the treatment plan your doctor has recommended. The next herb is probably already sitting in your kitchen cupboard. The third herb is cloves, a spice many people already have in their kitchen, but rarely think about when it comes to heart health. Cloves contain natural compounds with antioxidant properties that researchers continue to study for their possible health benefits. Some early research suggests they may support overall cardiovascular health, but the evidence is still limited, and cloves should never be viewed as a cure for high blood pressure. One of the biggest mistakes people make is believing that if a small amount is good, a large amount must be even better. That's simply not true. Using too many cloves or concentrated clove products may cause unwanted side effects and may not be suitable for everyone. The safest approach is to use cloves in normal cooking or ask your healthcare provider before taking concentrated supplements. But knowing the herbs is only half the story, because how you use them matters even more. Now that you know these 3 herbs, let's talk about the mistake many people make. Some believe that because these herbs are natural, they are always safe. Unfortunately, that's not true. Natural products can still interact with prescription medicines. For example, garlic may increase the risk of bleeding in some people taking blood-thinning medication. Hibiscus may lower blood pressure further in people already taking blood pressure medicine. Even herbal supplements can contain much stronger amounts than the herbs used in cooking. That's why it's important to tell your doctor or pharmacist about any herbs, teas, or supplements you use regularly. A simple conversation could help prevent unwanted side effects. Remember, the goal is not to replace proven medical treatment, but to support your overall health safely. And before you start adding these herbs to every meal, there's one more important question we need to answer. So, who should be especially careful with these herbs? If you're taking medication for high blood pressure, diabetes, or blood thinning, don't assume every natural remedy is automatically safe for you. People preparing for surgery should also ask their doctor before using herbal supplements, because some herbs may affect bleeding or interact with medicines used during medical procedures. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have liver or kidney disease, it's also wise to seek medical advice before taking herbal products in concentrated forms. Using herbs in normal cooking is very different from taking large amounts in capsules or extracts. That's a difference many people don't realize. The safest approach is to think of these herbs as part of a healthy diet, not as replacements for the treatments your healthcare provider has recommended. And that brings us to another common mistake that many families unknowingly make every day. Many people expect herbs to produce dramatic results within a day or two. When that doesn't happen, they either give up or start using larger amounts, hoping for faster results. Neither approach is helpful. Healthy blood pressure is usually supported by a combination of habits, including taking prescribed medication as directed, eating a balanced diet, staying physically active, reducing excess salt, maintaining a healthy weight, getting enough sleep, and managing stress. Herbs may play a supportive role for some people, but they cannot replace these healthy habits. Think of them as one small piece of a much bigger picture. The most successful people are often those who make several healthy choices consistently rather than searching for one miracle solution. And there's one simple habit that can help you understand whether your efforts are actually making a difference. That habit is checking your blood pressure correctly, at home, if your healthcare provider recommends it. Many people become worried after seeing one high reading, but a single number doesn't always tell the full story. Blood pressure naturally changes throughout the day, depending on stress, activity, sleep, meals, and even how you feel at that moment. For more reliable readings, sit quietly for about 5 minutes before measuring. Keep your feet flat on the floor, support your arm at heart level, and avoid talking during the measurement. Try to check your blood pressure at about the same time each day and write the readings down. Over time, this record helps your healthcare provider see patterns instead of isolated numbers. Understanding those patterns is often far more useful than reacting to one unexpected reading. Before we finish, there's one final message every viewer should remember. If you're interested in using natural remedies to support your heart health, always choose reliable information instead of internet myths or miracle claims. Be cautious of anyone promising to cure high blood pressure with one herb, one drink, or one simple trick. High blood pressure is a serious medical condition that deserves proper care. Many people feel perfectly healthy even when their blood pressure is dangerously high, which is why it's often called the silent condition. That's why regular checkups, healthy lifestyle choices, and following your treatment plan remain so important. Kitchen herbs may support a healthy lifestyle, but they are only one part of protecting your heart. When you combine healthy eating, regular activity, medication when prescribed, and routine blood pressure checks, you're giving yourself the best chance of staying healthy for years to come. Let's finish with the most important takeaway from today's discussion. Today's message is simple. Garlic, hibiscus, and cloves are 3 popular kitchen herbs that have been studied for their possible health benefits, but they should be used wisely and with realistic expectations. They are not miracle cures, and they should never replace the advice or treatment plan provided by your healthcare professional. If you decide to include these herbs in your diet, do so as part of an overall healthy lifestyle that includes balanced meals, regular physical activity, routine blood pressure checks, and taking prescribed medicines exactly as directed. Small healthy choices made consistently over time often have a greater impact than searching for quick fixes. Thank you for spending these few minutes with Silent Health Diary. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and sharing it with someone who wants to protect their heart naturally. Until next time, stay informed, stay healthy, and take good care of yourself.